Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you some useful WhatsApp desktop tips and tricks that can help you use WhatsApp more easily on your Windows PC. First, open WhatsApp Desktop. Let's start with the search feature. At the top of the chat list, you can find the search option. You can use it to quickly find a contact or conversation. Next, let's look at Pin Chat. Right-click on any chat and you can see the Pin option. This helps keep an important chat at the top of your chat list. Another useful feature is Archive. Right-click on a chat and select Archive to move the conversation out of your main chat list. You can also find the Mark as Unread option by right-clicking on a chat. This can help you remember to check that conversation later. Now, let's look at the Attachment option. Open any chat and click the attachment icon. Here you can see options for sending photos, videos, documents, and other supported files. In this tutorial, we're only showing these options and not sending anything. Next, open Settings. Here you can find different options for managing your WhatsApp desktop experience, including notifications, privacy, chats, and other settings. Another useful tip is to keep WhatsApp updated. Open the Microsoft Store, go to Library, and check if an update is available for WhatsApp. You can also keep WhatsApp easily accessible by pinning it to the Start menu or taskbar. Finally, remember to lock your Windows PC whenever you leave it. This helps keep your WhatsApp conversations private. So, these are some simple WhatsApp desktop tips and tricks you can use in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful tutorials.